black owned foundation, black owned hair, black owned skin, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know. Hi Vogue. Nah, I'm just playing. JK, imagine, oh my god, one day. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So as you can see, I'm in a different location. I'm actually in betwixt a 3-day trip. So it is almost time for me to report to the airport. So we have to get ready. So we're doing a flight attendant makeup tutorial. So yeah. So let's get the party started. So while these under eye patches, gel thingies, the thingies get to work, we're gonna go ahead and prep our skin. I already washed my face, so I'm gonna use this Skin Genix Brightening Face Serum, 24K Cold, 24K Gold. And I'm gonna apply it using this jade roller I got from Dollar Tree. This is really good. It really brightens your face under your makeup. Like, my makeup just looks so good. Just gonna rub it in. So I actually haven't worn makeup to work prior to this mask mandate being lifted because, like, what's the point of wearing makeup under a mask? Like, you're gonna spend 2 hours getting your face done just to cover it. So I'm actually excited. I get to, you know, show out some of these cute pilots or whatever, you know. Yeah. A lot of my passengers keep asking me, like, oh my god, what do you think about the mask mandate being lifted? Oh my god, you must be so excited. I'm like, you know, it's still optional, one, so the days I want to, you know, not wear makeup, or it's one of those bad days where I have to talk shit under my mask, I'm gonna wear my mask. And even still, like, it's not even universal. Like, if you fly to New York, to LaGuardia or JFK, mask mandate still applies. And if you travel internationally, like, for example, I'm flying to Canada today, I still have to bring my mask. So it'll make sense if it was, like, more universal, but, you know, whatever. I'll let the girls in the government do what they need to. Oh shoot, I forgot to apply this. I'll apply this now really quickly. This is the Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliator. I was supposed to apply this first, but I was excited to use my jade roll thing, so I'll just apply it now. Okay, these are slipping off, so let me take this. Moisturizer, I use this Pond moisturizer. Cremas, whatever, it's the blue one, the one with the blue top. This is really moisturizing, like a little goes a long way. Like this, just enough for my face and neck. Okay, now that we have our face primed and moisturized, time to get to the fun part. Clean my sponge. Let me get my sponge wet. Sponges are like women. If they're not wet, things go wrong. I don't know. I was trying to do a dirty joke, but it didn't come out right. For primer, we're using the infamous Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And the Fort foundation, I'm using this black owned brand that I found out about here on YouTube. It's called Fashion Fair. Very much black owned. It's the stick foundation, so this is even more amazing because travel friendly. Black owned foundation, black owned hair, black owned skin, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, go ahead and apply that. Thank God I don't have to wear any white for my uniform. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna further blend this out with my dirty ass beauty blender that I forgot to clean. It's fine. Everyone knows this brand. I feel like I don't have to tell you, but if you don't know, this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in Fawn. Gonna just lift our under eye area here. Kind of go for a simple medium coverage. Not go too crazy. Okay, we gotta work quick. My camera is like telling me my storage is full. Like, you can't handle a couple of memes and gifts. Like, come on. Come on, iPhone. Oh, sorry. We are going ahead and contouring with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. This is in Deep Walnut. This is just me if some of these makeup products like really dirty sounding. Milk Hydro Grip Deep Walnut concealer that you put on your face. Moving on. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna set my under eye with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. This is in Honey. I don't even take a lot. I just take a little bit. Actually, I just take whatever is left off on the cover. And then I use my handy dandy makeup sponge. I'll do that. So we're not going for full beat face. This is something that you would do if you have extra time. Yeah, a little more. And for the rest of my face, I'm setting with old, what do you call it? What's the phrase? Old fashioned, it's the MAC Skin Finish, that one. Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. We are colored. Ooh, before I do that, almost forgot. Yes, before I finish setting, sorry, I forgot to use my blush. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush. This is, I forgot this one. I think this was, oh, sorry, this is e.l.f. Color Blush in Bali. Right there. Add a nice rosy color. Will go well with our red lips that we're doing. Like that. Kind of use it as a secondary contour. This was a little bit more red. And I just blend it out with my finger. Just to let people know that this job isn't killing me, I'm still alive. Yeah. All right, perfect. So now we can finish setting our face. Brush out the other arm. Okay. All right, perfect. Now that our face is done, pretty much done, well, we're gonna go ahead and work on my eyes. So what I used to do way back when, back in school when I didn't know how to put on false lashes, I used to just do this false lash effect that I'm going to show you guys right now. So what you would do is just take a thin liquid eyeliner. This one is by NYX. This is the matte liquid liner. This is very pigmented for my colored girls, so this will definitely show up on your skin, and it doesn't rub off. And what I would do is I would just thinly line my eyes. Sorry, my lash line. Of course, my eyes, my lash line. Try to get it as close to the lash line as possible. Tight lining, if you will. My camera died. My camera died. Sorry. So all I did was that like I said, I tight lined my eyes to darken the lash line, and then what we're gonna do now is use any mascara you like. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess, and we're just gonna add mascara on like our lives depended on it. See how it kind of gets like a little false lash effect. You could eyeline the bottom line. I just don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, so we're pretty much all done with our face. So I'm actually going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. As you can see from like the missing words, I love this spray a lot. It makes your makeup last all day, and we're just gonna breathe. All right, to wrap this look all up, we're gonna go ahead and apply the okay, guys, that is the finished flight attendant makeup tutorial. It wasn't long, but you know, took a little bit of time, but you know, the finished product, it look good. I look good, darling. The only con about wearing red lips is that I can't snack without it looking obvious, especially without a mask. So use this to your discretion. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share my video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.